Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to UltFone channel. If you forget your iPhone passcode, you will be unable to use your device. If you keep entering the wrong passcode, your device will say iPhone unavailable. But don't worry, there are some easy ways to fix this safely. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 methods you can try. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Use Apple ID to unlock your iPhone. You need to intentionally enter the incorrect passcode multiple times. If your device is running iOS 17 or later, you'll see a Forgot Passcode option right on the iPhone's unavailable screen. For iOS 15.2 to iOS 16 users, you'll have to keep entering incorrect passcodes until your device locks for 1 hour. Subsequently, the Apple ID option will appear. Tapping this will reset your iPhone, erasing all data, including the passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your account, after which your iPhone will initiate the reset process. Once your iPhone restarts, simply set it up as new. If you have a backup, you can restore your data during setup. Method 2. Use UltFone iPhone Unlock. UltFone iPhone Unlock can help you unlock your iPhone without a passcode. Even if it says iPhone is not available, you can find the download link in the video description. First, launch UltFone iPhone Unlock. Then follow the instructions on UltFone iPhone Unlock to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Connect it to your computer, press and hold the up button, then press and hold the volume down button, and then the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your device enters recovery mode, UltFone iPhone Unlock will detect it and offer to download the latest iOS firmware. Once downloaded, start the unlocking process. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. Once done, your iPhone will restart, allowing you to set it up from scratch. Method 3. Restore iPhone with iTunes. First, open iTunes or Finder on your PC or Mac. You need to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Connect it to the computer using the original cable. Then press and hold the up button and press and hold the volume down button and then the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. iTunes will display a message asking you to restore or update. Select Restore and follow the on-screen instructions. Your device will automatically reset and unlock. However, iTunes can sometimes have bugs or be slow, which is why I recommend UltFone iPhone Unlock More, which is a more convenient and easy method. It is important to note that all of these methods will erase everything on your iPhone. If you have a backup, you can restore your data afterward. Also, ensure you know your Apple ID and password, as you will need them to reactivate your device after a reset. I hope this video has been instrumental in helping you fix your device. Please do not hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.